Hello everyone, here we are going to see about the unit 4 continuation part. So in this topic we are going to see about the syndrome part as well as some problematic sum, linear block coding and its problems. So first one, linear block codes. So in n, k, LBC, the n is the length of the code word and k is the length of the message word. So mi is equal to LBC encoder, there is xi message word, m is equal to m1, m2, m3 etc. up to mk, and the code word c is equal to c1, c2, c3 etc. up to cn. Parity word is b is equal to b1, b2, b3 etc. up to bn minus k. So the structure of these systematic code words is c is equal to bi, mi. So where bi is I is equal to 1, 2, 3 etc. up to n minus k, and mi is I is equal to n minus k plus 1, n minus k plus 2 etc. up to n. The n minus k parity bits are linear sum of the k message bits based on the following equation. So there is b1x into n minus k is equal to m1 p1i plus m2 p2i plus etc. up to mk pki, for I is equal to 1 etc. up to n minus k, where pij is equal to 1 if bi depends on mj and 0 otherwise. So the parity bits b1x of n minus k is equal to m1 into k pk into n minus k. So where p is the k into n minus k COE matrix defined based on Pij. So the COE Pij are chosen in such a way that the rows of the generator matrix are linearly independent and the parity equations are unique. So there is C1, C2 etc. up to Cn, and M1, M2 etc. up to C is equal to B dot M. C is equal to M into P colon Ik. So where Ik is equal to unity matrix, we have to write it. So the generator matrix G of k cross n, that is G is equal to P modulus of Ik. So that is P11, P12 etc. up to P1 n minus k, and P21, P22 etc. up to P2 n minus k. Then etc. like pk1, pk2 etc. up to pk or comma n minus k. So next we have to write the unity matrix. C is equal to m of 1 cross k, g of k cross n. So that is C is equal to m1, m2, etc. up to mk into p11, p12 etc. up to p1, n minus k. P21, P22 etc. up to P2, n minus k, and PK1, PK2 etc. up to PK, n minus k, and unity matrix we have to write. So that is C is equal to M into G. So the message vectors M will be generator matrix given to the generator matrix. It will be generate the matrix into the code vector C. To prove the derived code as a LBC, CH transpose is equal to 0. So that is H is equal to I n minus k colon P transpose. So the parity check matrix is H of n minus k cross n. So H is for finding the relation between message bits and parity check bits. So that is H of n minus k cross n. So HG transpose is equal to I n minus k colon P transpose into P transpose by I k. So that is P transpose plus P transpose. So we will get HG transpose is equal to 0. So that is H transpose is equal to I n minus k by P. So that is CH transpose is equal to MGH transpose, that is equal to 0. So let me see one problem for the by using the linear block codes. So the parity check matrix for the particular 7,4 linear block codes is given by H here. So find the following generator matrix, list all the code vectors, what is the minimum distance between the code vectors, how many errors can be detected and corrected, draw the encoder circuit, draw the syndrome decoding table, decode the received code word 01001110 and 1110010. So here the given data are k is equal to 4, n is equal to 7, q is equal to n minus k, that is 7 minus 4, we will get 3. So the parity check matrix will be H is equal to P transpose, we have to write it, and the identity matrix we have to write it. So to determine the P submatrix, the P parity check matrix can be represented as H is equal to P transpose into I cube, that is Q cross N, that is P transpose I is I3 into 3 cross 4. So the matrix representation of the above equation is H is equal to P11, P21, P31, P41, P21, P22, P23, P24, P31, P32, P33, P34, and the next one we have to write the identity matrix. So compare the above matrix with the given parity check matrix to get the P transpose matrix. So thus the P transpose can be represented as like this. So thus P submatrix can be represented as P is equal to, likewise we have to write it. So solution, the generator matrices can be represented as G is equal to IK hyphen P K cross Q K cross N. From the given data, K is equal to 4, N equal to 7, and Q is equal to N minus K is equal to 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So hence the generator matrix can be represented as G is equal to I 4 cross 4, P 4 cross 3, 4 cross 7. So substitute the P submatrix and identity matrix in the above equation to get the generator matrix. So that is G is equal to, likewise here we will get. So second one, we have to find out the list all the code vectors. To find the code vectors, we have to obtain the equation to find the check bits. So the check bits can be found by the below equation. That is C is equal to MP. So C is 1 cross 3 is equal to M 1 cross 4, P 4 cross 3. So substitute the P submatrix in the above equation. So C 1 cross 3 is equal to M 1 cross 4 into, we have to, P is the this value, we have to 4 cross 3. So we will receive this like this. So next from this we have to solve the above equation with mod to addition we get. So that is C1 is equal to 1 cross M1 XOR 1 cross M2 XOR 1 cross M3 XOR 0 cross M4. Likewise for C2, for C3 we have to find. So thus at the last we will get the above equations as C1 is equal to M1 XOR M2 XOR M3, C2 is equal to M1 XOR M2 XOR M4, and C3 is equal to M1 XOR M3 XOR M4. So this is the message vectors and check bits. So after that we have to code vector the equations and we will get the W of x. So that is what is the minimum distance between the code vectors means we know that D minimum is W of x minimum, that is x is equal to 0 0 0. So thus D minimum will be 3. How many errors can be detected and corrected means D minimum is greater than or equal to S plus 1. So detect up to S errors per word. D minimum is greater than or equal to 2t plus 1. That is correct up to t errors per word. D minimum is greater than or equal to t plus S plus 1. That is correct up to t errors and detect up to S error per words. So D minimum equal to 3. So up S plus 1 means we have to 3 is greater than or equal to 2 plus 1. So thus the 2 errors will be detected. Okay. So thus 1 error will be corrected. Draw the encoder circuit. We have to draw the encoder circuit likewise this. Next, draw the syndrome decoding table means to draw the syndrome decoding table we need H transpose from the given parity check matrix and we can find the H transpose. So that is H transpose is this. So for that we have to draw the table for error vector and from that we have to find out the syndrome vector. Okay. So next one is decode the received code word, that is 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1 1 0 0 1 0. So in that there is a YH transpose we have to write it. So that is S is equal to YH transpose. So S is equal to, we have to add it likewise row and column wise like that. So the syndrome vector is 0. So hence the received code word has no error. So that is X equal to Y is equal to, we will get 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. So that is Y is equal to, we get like this. So YH transpose we have to draw and we have to find out the S value, that is syndrome value, and added the values and we will get S is equal to 1 1 0. Likewise we have to find out for everything. So the syndrome vector is matched with the second row of H transpose. Hence the error vector is E is equal to 0100000. So the received code word can be obtained by X is equal to Y plus E. So that is we have to add the Y value and the E value and we will get the X value. So that is the received code word. Thank you.